This is a category that takes some explaining, the AA safest cars, because of the way that this is effectively drawn.
Yeah, the AA Safest Cars finalists are based purely on a point score system. So this is one of the few categories that we don't actually have input or judge. Yep. It's based on ANCAP, crash testing and rating. So really are on a scoring system that's judged by safety outlets. Mm-hmm. It is theoretically and technically the safest cars of the year. So the finalists are the Lexus NX, the Lexus RX, and the Tesla Model Y.
And the winner?
The winner is the Tesla Model Y.
I love this.
Remarkable. Which, they scored an ANCAP score of 366 points, which may or may not give you context, but it just pipped the Lexus RX by 5 points.
Wow.
So it just combines so many different safety aspects, internal crash, occupant, pedestrian, and just so much more. So
is there anything that you can kind of pinpoint that makes it so much safer? Is there anything that you can kind of give us there?
We're seeing a lot of safety additions being made to vehicles these days. Obviously, that's why you see Lexus and Tesla to some extent. I think Tesla gives a little bit of a boost with areas like semi-autonomous driving. Yeah. So that really helps the safety aspects in terms of crash mitigation, avoidance or elimination. So that's probably where the biggest leaps have happened over recent years.
Right, well done, Tesla.